So, hi, my name is Chirag Jain, and this is Team One. We are working on a project for expense tracker, and I had a pretty good experience of working with this team. We had a very well structured plan from the start, which I think made a big difference. We followed agile methodologies. Sprint goals were well defined. So, by helping out each other, we were successful in achieving all our objectives. And this discipline approach helped us to adapt to challenges quickly. So the entire journey was quite rewarding and productive for me.
Hi everyone, I'm Kate Keetang, the co-lead of the Expense Tracker project, Team One. Reflecting on this journey, one of our key takeaways was the value of flexibility. Early on, we avoided committing to a specific technology for backend, which turned out to be a wise decision. This gave us time to weigh out our options and understand project requirements better, and ultimately choose a solution that balanced scalability and ease of development. On the flip side, we also learned that rushing into feature implementation without fully aligning on user requirements led to rework, refactoring parts of code mid-project, which cost us a little bit of both time and focus. My advice would be to stay open to iteration, but also commit decisively when the time is right. We should also take time to communicate early and plan thoroughly. So, yeah, that's about it.
Hi guys, I am Sanya. I learned that communication and teamwork is very important. Once I accidentally forced push up code which removed my teammates' code. But we communicated quickly, we jumped into a Zoom meet and we fixed the issue. So what I learned is very important to stay calm, work together and address issues as a team. That's from my side. June,
Hello, everyone. I'm June Akpada. Throughout this project, I've learned a lot about the overall process that goes into creating a code repository. At the beginning, during the warm-up, I gained vital skills to analyze code repositories. In terms of our project development, learning about the coordination and collaboration necessary to complete the project while everyone is working on different portions was very informative to my understanding. I also learned a lot about how to make design decisions and various components of a product based on a design criteria and keeping the user in mind.
Hi everyone, I'm Krishi. In my opinion, teamwork played a crucial part in our project where we built a successful working budget tracker app. The roles were divided on the basis of strengths of everyone involved in the group. We collaborated through weekly check-ins to track our progress and use Git for code management. Every challenge that we faced was tackled collaboratively, combining our skills to find efficient solutions. So by leveraging our collective strengths and maintaining clear communication, we successfully built a functional application through, I would say, a successful process of software engineering.
Hi, my name is Annie, and I guess another challenge we faced in terms of like the weekly meetings that we had was just kind of just getting everyone to be in the meeting, because a lot of us have other priorities like other classes or like lab work or just work in general. So finding a time where everyone can just like meet up and talk was actually pretty difficult. But like in terms of how we solved it, like oftentimes we will hold like a poll to see when people are free. We also had both in-person and Zoom meetings just so that there's a little bit more flexibility of when people can join in. And for any of those people who weren't able to make the meetings, we were able to communicate with them about what their tasks for a certain sprint was. And so that way everyone knows like what they're doing for a certain sprint, and that way everyone can get their work done on time.
Hi everyone, I'm Linda. A key thing I learned from this project was the importance of collaboration. For example, I was responsible for the weekly spending chart functionality, but I wasn't sure how it should look like at that time. So we then have a quick team meeting which provided the clarity and support that I needed. And this shows me that without the teamwork, completing this task wouldn't be so smoothly. Yeah, that's all from our team. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Devanshi. From this project, I learned how every developer can have different opinions on how to implement the same feature. So we also encountered the same on how to implement our backend. For this project, effective communication via face-to-face meetings where we all discussed different options and opinions about the backend of our project resolved this conflict. I also got to learn many new technologies like Odyssey integration and SQLite. Thank you.